How to add a screen time widget in which you can see how much time you spent on your Moto G phone and other apps that you spend time on. Let's do it. To add the screen time widget, just go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen like this here and go to where it says widgets, the one right to the bottom left. Keep in mind this is with Android 15, and what you're looking for when you're here in this part of your widgets section, go down until you see digital well-being, this one here. Now as you tap on it, you'll see the only app widget is the screen time one here. Tapping on it one time will give you the option to add it, and it's going to show up like this here. Now usually you will be able to move the little panels here, as you can see right there. These will allow you to expand them or make it smaller. So if you wanted to just have a small little size, it's up to you, okay? So let me just go ahead and show you this again. All right, and then you can move it around wherever you want it to be and have it like this small here. But if you expand it as big as this here, you'll get more detailed information. And depending on the apps that you are using, it'll all show up here as well. And that's basically it for this guide here. If you don't want it, long press it again and just go and release it into remove, and it should be gone like so.